Hello guys, this is Solar and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to introduce how to install a ground mounting system briefly. Before the installation, we have to design the layout of the solar mounting system and solar panels array. According to the layout drawing, mark out the power point on the installation site and pile the ground screws or concrete foundation to secure the mounting system. Open the pre-assembled bracket like this. Align the teeth of the base and the wave washer to obtain the desired distance of the post from the ground. Use EPDM gasket to prevent electrolytic reaction between steel screws and the aluminum post. Make sure the brackets are in a line parallel and on the same height. Now the installation of the ground mounting system is finished. In next video, we are going to install the solar panels. If you like our video, please subscribe and thanks for watching.